Konnichiwa, everyone. Welcome back to Yamanashi videos. Today, we're diving into the heart and soul of Japanese cuisine to explore a delightful dish that warms the soul and captivates the taste buds. Hoto. But wait, there's more to Hoto than meets the eye. Join me as we uncover some unknown facts about this hearty Japanese noodle soup. First things first, let's talk about the origins of Hoto. Did you know that this comforting dish hails from the Yamanashi Prefecture, originally created as a way to combat the cold winters in the region? Hoto has become a beloved comfort food across Japan. Its humble beginnings tell a tale of warmth and community, a story woven into every steaming bowl. Now, take a look at these unique noodles. Unlike the usual ramen or udon, Hoto noodles are broad and flat, resembling thick, hand-cut strips. The distinct shape is not just for show. It's designed to absorb the rich flavors of the broth, giving each bite a perfect balance of chewiness and flavor. One of the secret ingredients that elevate Hoto to a whole new level is the use of miso, traditionally made from fermented soybeans. Miso adds a depth of umami to the soup, creating a rich and savory base. The variety of miso used can vary, adding a layer of complexity to the dish. It's the magic touch that makes Hoto truly unforgettable. Depending on the time of year, you'll find different vegetables gracing the bowl, from pumpkin and mushrooms to leafy greens. This not only adds a burst of color but also ensures that Hoto reflects the freshness of each season. Did you know that Hoto has made its way into popular culture, from being featured in anime and manga to making appearances in Japanese dramas? Hoto has become a symbol of comfort and home. It's fascinating to see how this simple dish has captured the hearts of not just locals but also enthusiasts around the world. Symbolism in Hoto ingredients. Let's delve into the symbolism behind the ingredients in Hoto. Did you know that the pumpkin in Hoto is believed to bring good luck and prosperity? It's not just a tasty addition but a cultural nod to positive vibes. Meanwhile, the mushrooms are said to represent longevity, making each bowl not just a meal but a wish for a long and fulfilling life. Imagine a whole festival dedicated to Hoto. In Yamanashi, where Hoto originated, there are annual Hoto festivals celebrating this beloved dish. It's a culinary extravaganza where locals and visitors come together to enjoy various Hoto creations, showcasing the dish's versatility and regional adaptations. Handmade Hoto noodles. For an authentic experience, some places still make Hoto noodles by hand. The process involves skillfully rolling out the dough and cutting it into those distinctive broad strips. This handcrafted touch not only adds a personal element to each bowl but also reflects the dedication to preserving culinary traditions. Hoto as a social dish. Hoto isn't just about the food. It's about bringing people together. In Japan, Hoto is often enjoyed in communal settings, emphasizing the importance of sharing a meal with friends and family. The act of slurping noodles not only adds to the experience but is also considered a sign of appreciation for the chef's efforts. Hoto variations. Here's a fun fact. There are regional variations of Hoto. While the basics remain the same, different areas put their unique spin on the dish. Some might add seafood, while others focus on a vegetarian approach. It's a testament to the adaptability of Hoto, making it a versatile canvas for culinary creativity. Seasonal Hoto rituals. In some households, the preparation and consumption of Hoto are accompanied by seasonal rituals. For example, during the new year, families may prepare a special Hoto dish with ingredients believed to bring good fortune for the upcoming year. It's a delicious way to usher in positive vibes and delicious flavors. Let's take a trip back in time. Did you know that Hoto has historical significance? It is said that during the Warring States period in Japan, Hoto was a favored meal among samurai. Its hearty nature and the use of locally available ingredients made it a practical and nourishing choice for warriors on the go. Now, here's a quirky one. Some believe that the way you break apart the noodles in Hoto can influence your fate. It's said that cutting the noodles directly symbolizes cutting one's ties, so it's common practice to slurp the noodles instead, allowing for a longer and more connected life. Who knew a simple bowl of Hoto could hold such superstitions? Health benefits of Hoto. Beyond its delightful taste, Hoto is surprisingly nutritious. The broth, enriched with vegetables and miso, not only warms the soul but also provides a good dose of vitamins and minerals. It's a comforting dish that not only satisfies your taste buds but also contributes to your overall well-being. Hoto isn't just a feast for the palate. It's also a muse for artists. The visual appeal of a steaming bowl of Hoto has inspired various forms of art, from paintings to sculptures. It's fascinating to see how this humble dish has transcended its culinary roots to become a source of creative inspiration. And there you have it, our journey into the world of Japanese Hoto. From its humble origins to the unique noodles and the magic of miso, Hoto is a culinary adventure worth experiencing. If you enjoyed learning about this delicious dish, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, sayonara, and happy cooking!